Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SAFWAN'S Samayal. Today we are going to see Pav Bhaji.
First, we are going to make bhaji, the vegetable masala. In a pressure cooker, take 2 potatoes, half cauliflower, mixed vegetables, and add little water. Add requisite salt. Pressure cook the vegetables for 2 whistles. Now vegetables are well cooked. Smash it thoroughly and keep aside. Now take a pan and add butter. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Add 2 onions finely chopped. Two green chilies. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute well. Now add required salt. And cook well. Now add 2 tomatoes. And saute till soft. The mixture is now well cooked. Now add 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric, and mix well. Now add the cooked vegetables and mix well. Smash well. Close and cook for 5 minutes. Finally, add 1 teaspoon garam masala, and give a final mix. Add some butter and garnish with coriander leaves. Our bhaji is ready now. Let us make pav now. Take a bun and cut into equal halves. Spread butter and toast on a tawa. Our pav is ready now. Let's do the filling. Add some bhaji over the toasted bun. Add some tomato ketchup. Close it with the other bun and serve hot. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to SAFWAN'S Samayal.